Hello. So I was just going to help with this one question. Looks like we were given a point and slope, and we were told to find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So the main thing to understand is that there are three forms of a line. The first one is called standard form. Standard form is really good if we were given x-intercepts and y-intercepts. Like that's the one we want to use for it. But they didn't give me that information. So I'm going to kind of put a little note here to the side. So this is really good if we are using x-intercepts and then maybe y-intercepts. But that's not the information I was given. Slope-intercept form is really good if you were given the slope and the y-intercept. Unfortunately, they didn't give us the y-intercept. They only gave us a random point. So maybe this is not good to start off with. Right? And it's kind of in the name. It's useful if you're given the slope and the y-intercept. That's why we call it slope-intercept form. Finally, we have point-slope form. Right? And as the name suggests, it's really useful if you're given a point and a slope. That's kind of the situation we have here. We have a point and we have a slope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label my point as x1, y1. And then let's just call our slope m. Right? So we have everything we need to plug into point-slope form. So this becomes y minus 5 equals -6 times x. Now, because this is a minus, but our x1 is a -2, it'll become a +2. Now it's just a matter of putting it in slope-intercept form, which we can do. Let's start by distributing the -6. So if I distribute that, I would get -6x minus 12. Now what I can do is simply add the 5 over to the right-hand side. So if I add 5 to both sides, right, long bar, show our operation line. And then I always kind of suggest that students show their cancellation. So let's get rid of those 5s. So now what I have left is just y equals -6x minus 7. And this is officially in slope-intercept form.